The two fast-burning fires in the Ruidoso and Mescalero area have now burned more than 23,000 acres. Forced the evacuation of thousands of residents and has claimed the lives of 2 people. Our KTSM 9 News reporter Tirza Ortiz is in Ruidoso, and she reports with the latest.
Right now I'm in Capitan, just north of Ruidoso, where the 2 fires, the South Fork and the Salt, continue to threaten the village as well as the people around it. Weather conditions proving to be a challenge along with the fire. At this time, more than 800 personnel are focusing their efforts on protecting lives, homes and buildings in the at-risk areas. Our team was anticipating a tour of the damaged areas along with a briefing, but both got canceled. Because of heavy cloud coverage Wednesday night, officials were not able to get an updated parameter read. The village of Ruidoso is still reporting 0% containment with more than 23,000 acres burned. Parts of southern New Mexico are still under flash flood warnings, something that deterred firefighter efforts Wednesday night and could potentially halt operations for tonight. The village of Ruidoso will be holding a community meeting via their Facebook page. You can find a link to that on our website, ktsm.com. For now, near Ruidoso, Tirza Ortiz, KTSM 9 News.